If you find yourself writing the same email over and over for different people, this tech tip is going to save you a lot of time and effort. With Gmail, you can create canned responses and never type the same email twice again. First, you need to enable the feature. So we're in our inbox, we're going to come up to our gear. We're going to go into settings. And once we're in settings, we're going to go to labs. Once you're in labs, you want to look for the lab called canned responses, and we want to enable that. This is not good enough. You actually have to come up here and save changes in order to enable. And now we're going to put this great feature to use. I'm going to create my first canned response by clicking on Compose and opening up a new message. And I get a lot of homework from students as an example. So I'm going to call this homework. And I'm going to type my message here. You can add pretty much anything to a canned response. You can add links and emojis and all of those things. The only thing that I have found that doesn't save is an attachment. So I could add a link to my site if I wanted to, and I can create that. We'll just go to Merrimack. So now that I've got it all set up, I am going to come down to my little arrow down in the lower right hand corner, and I have a canned response menu now, and I'm going to set this up as a new canned response. And you'll notice it pulls the subject as my name, which is fine, and I'll click OK. So this is all set. I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to actually use it to reply to someone. So I've gotten an email here, and I want to reply using my pre-canned response. So I'm going to reply, and I'm going to come down here to more options, and I'm going to go into canned responses. And now you'll notice in my menu I have 3 areas here: insert, save, and delete. Obviously insert, if I choose this, I'm just going to stick my email into wherever my cursor is, my text is going to go in my email. If I make any changes to my canned response, I can save it. And if I decide that I don't need this anymore, I can delete it. So I'll insert. All of my message is typed automatically for me. And if I'm good to go, I can just click send. Or I could add more to it. It's up to you. I'm going to click send. And that's all there is to it. You can create as many of these as you need for whatever purpose. Later, when you get more advanced, you can set Gmail to auto-respond to messages with a canned email. We'll cover that in a different tech tip. To recap, if you respond the same way to many different people, you can use a canned response to work more efficiently and save time. I hope this helps, and have a great day.